welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray of Diva Me Please, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing of the MBJ Premium Supplies Nailed by John, Nailed by Becky unboxing, and this is month 3. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's see what colors and what decal stickers I received this month, because you already know that the $29.99 monthly subscription comes with a 4-ounce monomer, nail clippers, herpy gel, a buffer, a nail file, and I think that's it. But let's go ahead and get straight into the video, and also make sure you check out the other unboxings of the Nailed by John that I have on my channel. I'll leave a link right here so that you can check out the entire series. Alright, so let's go ahead and take everything out. So here is the monomer. So in this month I received MBJ 5 as well as MBJ 8, 2 colors that I already have. The nail clippers, and here are the 4 stickers, 4 decals that I received. Some Chanel stickers, some more Chanel stickers, some Girl Power stickers, and some Louis Vuitton. Ooh, I like these. The last thing that I forgot was the nail art that they give you. So I got some silver foil, which I received before, and the herpy gel. What you say? You like my rings? Make sure you check out the Your Nail Lab by McCart monthly nail subscription video on my channel, and you can watch me unbox these. Voila! Liquid gold monomer. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video of the unboxing of month 3 Nailed by John $29.99 monthly subscription. So you have your nail clippers, 2 acrylic powders, some herpy gel, some nail art, some silver foil, a 4-ounce monomer, a buffer, and 4 decal stickers. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video, the unboxing of month 3 Nailed by John MBJ Premium Supplies $29.99 monthly subscription. You receive some nail clippers, 2 acrylic powders, some herpy gel, some nail art silver foil, but you may receive something different, some liquid, a file, 4 decal stickers, and a buffer. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see next on my channel. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have monthly reviews, unboxings. I have some vlogs coming soon because you guys know I do work in a nail salon. So make sure you stay tuned for some updates of how everything has been going. And make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you are not late to the party. Okay, guys? And until next time, make sure you're also following me on Instagram and Facebook at Diva Me Please. So until next time, guys, bye.